What is going on YouTube? Welcome to another video. My name is Mike Angelo. Today we're going to be doing the mid fade starting right here in the temple. We're going to drop it down on the tip of the bone. We are going to walk you step by step. Also, we're going to line up the beard. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about these steps. So the first thing we're doing, we're going to take some off the top. I start by sectioning and then I cut the top about a ½ inch. We're gonna follow it up using the bald line with our trimmers. So the first thing I do, since I'm doing a mid drop fade, I do a line starting from the temple area and I slightly drop it down on the back towards the tip of the bone, and then I eliminate the rest of the hair that's left below. Once we are done removing everything from the bald guideline with the trimmer, we're going to follow it up using the electric shaver. On this tutorial, we're going to be doing step-by-step guidelines. So the first guideline that I do, I got the lever completely open. I don't have a guard on. I go up about 1 inch and I make sure I keep the same width throughout the whole guideline. The neater the guidelines, the neater the fade will be. Working on our second guideline, we got the #1 guard with the lever completely closed. Do the same amount of width going from the front all the way to back to the tip of the bone. We continue to stack these guidelines, so our next guard is going to be the 1.5 guard with the lever closed. Make sure you start from the parietal ridge and work your way down to the tip of the bone to make sure you keep that drop. Going into the #2 guard with the lever closed, we want to make sure that we do not create a line during this step. We don't want to create a harsh line, that way it's not so hard to erase. So I kind of scoop away from the head shape to not create a line, just creating that guideline to work our way down. Now that the guidelines are set, it's time to erase them. So what you do, you have to jump back down to the 1.5 guard with the lever open and then slowly close it until that line is erased. Now jump into the 1 guard with the lever open, hit that line that you created previously, open the lever, slowly close it until that line is completely erased. The whole concept behind this method is to stay organized. So what we did, we went up, stacking the guidelines all the way up to the parietal ridge, and then we're going to be working our way back down. This will help us stay organized we know where we're fading, we know how the haircut is looking, and that will keep us having tunnel vision and not messing up and keep us organized throughout the whole haircut. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and comment down below how you're liking this method. Once you are done with the number 1 guard, you want to attack that bottom line, completely erase it. So what you do, you start with the lever closed, you slowly open it all the way until that line is completely erased. Once you got that bottom line faded out, you're gonna realize that there's a dark line that is left behind. So when able to erase that line, you gotta jump back up to the half guard, open and close the lever all the way until that line is completely out. We're going to be using some texturizers to blend the fade to the top. So I want to make sure that I use the fine side of the comb and use the texturizers to connect the fade with the top. To finish off this haircut, we're going to finish off with the beard. We're going to blend in the sideburns, lighten up the beard, make it nice and square, and then follow it up with the straight razor towards the end. Whenever you're working with the straight razor, you gotta make sure that you use your thumb from the opposite hand that you're using the straight razor from. You pull the skin the opposite direction. This will prevent you from cutting your client. So we are wrapping up this video, you guys. I'm just finishing off the top with some styling powder. This is the before look, and this is the new and improved after look. If you guys like the video, hit the like button. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. Share it with your friends. Share it with anybody who wants to learn how to cut hair. It's time to elevate to the next level. My name is Mike Angelo. This is my time. I hope you guys have a good day. Peace.